Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. That's you and me. Please subscribe to my channel and also hit on that bell icon to watch my latest videos first. Hi friends, this is Jasmine again. Today I'm going to show you my collection of bags. So I'm going to show you what type of bags I have. It's not that I only have branded bags, but I do have simple bags as well, which are actually useful for any occasion. And then I personally don't prefer buying very expensive bag of changing bags according to your outfit. So when you just have like one or two branded bags which are like really expensive, what do you feel is you feel like you don't have many bags, you can't match it with all the outfits. So I believe in spending money on budget friendly bags so that I have many bags and then I have a big collection of bags so that I can use them with any of my clothes and then I can match it with all my outfits. So I don't like to actually just buy one big bag which costs around $100, $200, and then you just stick to one bag rather than just like you can actually do many things out of that same money. So I believe in budget shopping, and then I always buy things which are like really worth the money and then which are really budget friendly. And then yes, it's not that they're really cheap stuff, but then yes, they are durable, and then it depends on how you're using them. So let's get started with my collection of my bags. So my first bag is which I use the most, okay. So every time I'm going out, I always use this bag. I've shown you this bag in my Singapore haul where I've actually bought this bag just for, I think this bag was just for $5 or so. Sorry about this. This is the mascara because I was trying a kajal just last week and then accidentally it just fell on my bag. So this bag is the most used bag in my wardrobe, I would say, because I've been using it from so long now already. It's been like so long, and then this bag is really awesome, and then you can just fit in all the necessary items. And this bag has been my favorite among all because I can match it with jeans, with skirt and many more outfits. And this is really good bag, and it was very budget friendly, and it's a cheap bag but really durable one. This is an inspired bag. These bags you get Chanel, I think, yeah, Chanel. So in Chanel brand you have the original bag which might cost you around 2,000. The starting price is I think from $2,000, but then this bag I just paid $20 for this bag. And then this is also like really good, but then this is good for parties and stuff like that because it just has one space here and then a zipper as well to keep your cell phones and cash or something. And then this is really nice. You can actually change this thing, and then you can make it a short string as well, or you can just adjust this something like this and then you can keep it a long string. And then this goes good with your black outfits or party or somewhere. You can carry this. It looks really classy and very nice. This is again a Boogies bag. I would say this is a backpack type of bag, but then you can also use this bag something like this, okay, something like this. Okay, you can use it as a side sling as well, or you can even take it as a backpack where you have this adjustment here, so you can actually put it on your back, and then you can even use it as a backpack as well. This one I don't use much. I think I just used it once when I'd been to Thailand because this bag, the zipper goes around this thing, so I always have to loosen this up before I open this zipper. So it's not that comfortable, but I have it in my collections. I can use it sometime when I really have nothing else to go with, and then I think this is a best option if you want it. And then talking about backpacks, I have another one which I showed you in my travel essentials video. So this is my travel bag. This is my bestie, I would say, because it can just take in so many things. You can just go on feeding your bag and then it's happy to take in everything because you can almost you can put in every item that you have, and then you can actually pack this bag really well. And then it's very nice with a big huge zipper, and then it's very spacious. You can put in n number of things, and then it's really comfortable. And then when I'm vlogging, this is really very useful for me because I just put it in the back and then I can hold my tripod and then vlog everywhere wherever I want. So this is my favorite bag as well. These are super durable, and this one I just paid around like $10, I guess. Yes, this was $10. Actually, this is a brand which is Chinlia Pirelli. I'm not sure about this brand, but then this was actually this was on a discounted price. It was clearance sale going on, so I just got it for $10, and the quality is like amazing. The color itself is like this. It's not that it's dirty or something, but then the color itself is like this because I got only one piece, so I had to buy this. I couldn't leave this price. And then when I talk about something like beach wear or something, when you're going out on a beach or just somewhere around your house, so I have I think I have like 2 bags for that, which is like really rough, but this can take so many things. And then you can just, when you're shopping, this bag, they are really like very cheap and very comfortable and very nice. This can go with your jeans and anything. It suits you very well. And then it's like for rough usage as well, very useful, you know, because you can use it anywhere. And then this is washable as well, so you can put it in the washing machine or hand wash it. Nothing will happen to this bag, and it's like really spacious, and you can fit in so many things. When girls are going for shopping, I think this is the must bag you should have. And then what more you need when it is washable, so that you can make it look new the next time again. And these bags are sold like for 4 bags for $10 in Boogie Street. If you want these bags, you can go to Boogie Street, and these are sold for $10, 4 for $10. Any type of design, any color, but then they're just like $10 for 4 bags, and they're super duper useful bags. You see, this is a really funky bag. You can see the material. It's like rubber type of thing. You can just squish it. Nothing is going to happen. It's again going to stand in its own old shape and size. And this is like super bag, and it's even this is like washable. What I've done is, last time it was a bit dirty and messy here, so what I did is, with a wet tissue, with a wet wipe, I just cleaned it, and it again looks like super new. But the only negative point about this bag is it doesn't come with a zipper or a button or anything, so it's kind of open bag. So this is useful on the beach, you know. You can just carry your beach mat and a water bottle, some snacks and everything, and this bag is super useful, and it looks really cool with shorts and your beach wear, you know. This is like awesome, and this is like waterproof bag, so it's really useful. And then the sand does not stick to this, so it is perfect for beaches. This bag, I can't tell you, this bag has given me like so much of advantages this time. And this bag, I paid $7 for this bag. As you all remember, I showed you in the Singapore haul. So I paid $7. It looks super classy and very dignified as well. And then when my weight was actually more in my backpack, so what I did was, I literally stuffed the stuff inside this. I stuffed so many things, and then it could like easily, nobody could make it out. And then they don't really check handbags of ladies, females, you know, at the airport. So this bag was really useful for me, very helpful. And then some eatables and snacks and all, I just kept it in this bag so that I could eat on the flight. And then this bag was like super easy, very comfortable, and then it's really durable for $7. I can't believe it can give so much of work, and then it's like awesome. If I'm gonna get this deal again when I go to Boogie Street, I'm surely gonna buy this bag. And friends, I'm gonna give a giveaway as well. So please leave your comments in the comment section if you have bought recent bags, and then please post your pictures and everything. So I'll be choosing some lucky winner, and then I'll be giving it a giveaway. So I'll be buying a new bag, somewhat not around $7, but maybe expensive than this. So I'll be giving it as a giveaway. So please leave your comments also in the comment section. Okay, so this is one bag which I can carry it with anything. It goes like really well. This bag, this is a Charles & Keith bag. So yes, this is the original branded one which I actually bought. This was again a warehouse sale which was going on. So friends, here you can see I haven't bought any bags from the branded showrooms. I haven't spent anything much, but I still have some branded bags. So this is a Charles & Keith bag, comes with a sling, and then it's good, and you can actually detach this thing and then use it as just a handbag, something like this. And this is also spacious, but then this is not something like flexible. It's really hard type of material. You cannot just push it somewhere under the seat or anything. It has to be kept like a queen. This bag is, it looks classy when you're going out for a party or something. It looks really nice, but then not on a daily basis or office. You know, you cannot take it to office as well. Sometimes it's good on a weekend or something, but not on weekdays, because you can't be taking such a hard bag somewhere out. So this is a bag from Charles & Keith. You can check out this online as well. You get this, if there are some discounts going on, you get this on a really cheap price. I got this for $32, I feel. Yes, this was the original price was somewhere around 80 plus, but then I got it for $32, so I couldn't leave this. Along with this, I bought another Charles & Keith bag, and I think this is the only bag which I've actually preserved and saved it like so nicely, because this bag, I really love this bag, and many people have complimented me for this bag, and then it's like really nice one, and it's a huge bag, as you can see here. It's really big bag, but then yeah, somewhere like this. But then this bag is like awesome. I used it for a very long time, but then when I started realizing that white is not a color which I can maintain, because I keep going out, I keep on vlogging and all stuff, so I can't just keep it somewhere. It gets dirty really soon. So what I've done is I've cleaned it nicely, and then I've put it in this cover which it came with. And then yeah, the negative point again is there's no zipper, but there is a thing, the magnet button. So this is like super spacious, and then it comes with another sling inside this small bag as well, which is like very classy. And then you can actually detach this and then use it as a separate sling as well. So yeah, this is very spacious bag, but then I've kept it like so nicely, like a baby. I can't just use it every time when I want to. So this is really huge one, but then it's really nice. And the next bag in my handbag collection is one nice Boogie Street bag. So this is from Boogie Street. It's really nice and fancy bag. This bag I've used it to my office, like I think almost for 6 months I've used this bag, and nothing has happened to this. And even this is like really nice. This is better than the Charles & Keith, the other one, the cream one which I showed you. Even this is like so many compartments inside, and then very spacious as well. And then very nice bag, I would say. It actually goes along really well with your formal dresses, and then it also has a sling to put around. Okay, but then I generally use it because we just use it something like this, so it looks classy and very nice. And this color is like, this is one of my favorite colors again, blue color. So yeah, this is one more bag. And then for small small cute handbags, I just have this one small one which I just take it to some supermarkets and stuff. So this is also so cute one. It has so many compartments. This one I bought from the wallet shop, and this costed me around, I think, $19.90, so $19 I guess. Yes, this was on a discounted price, $19.90. With this comes a small sling as well, small clutch which is for the card holder or some stuff like that. So yeah, this is one, and I have one more. This is from the brand Kio. So this is one more branded one which I have. This is like the fancy one which you actually like to hold it something like this, you know, on a party or something. With the party wear, it goes really well, this bag. And then it comes with a small this chain type of thing which you can again use it as a sling. And then yeah, this is really spacious as well. You can keep many stuff inside. And then this comes from the Kio brand, as you can see here. It's Kio branded bag. So I never use this, I just use it for 1 or 2 occasions. And then actually the thing is, it has this stone design on this, and then this pulls out my strings from the clothes, so I don't use it much, so it's just lying down in my collection of bags. One more small clutch type of thing bag which I have, and then this is also like really nice. I don't remember which brand is this from, but then I can't see the brand mentioned anywhere here. Then yeah, this is also from a branded shop, I think from the wallet itself, but I don't remember. For this I just paid $15 again, and all my other bags are in the range of somewhere like, except the Charles and Keith, all my bags range around I would say between $5 to $30 maybe. Yeah, $5 to $30 between all that range. And I don't buy expensive bags, so this is also one bag, so you can actually hold it something like this. And it has a sling as well, but I'm not sure where did I put the sling, because I don't use this much now, because this one I bought it just to match with one of my outfits. So yeah, this is one more bag. So yeah, that's it, I feel, friends. Yes, that's all what I have. And then others I have just like small clutches, so which is not important to show as well. So yeah, this was my bag collection video. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and give this video also a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. See you again in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.